Hello everyone, I'm an expert in hotel AI, and I've spent my career right at the intersection of hospitality operations and technology. It's a real pleasure to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to this session. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the biggest forces shaping our industry, artificial intelligence. We'll explore how it's not just changing hotels, but what it really means for your career.
I'm thrilled you're here, because we're about to jump into some of the most exciting changes happening in hospitality right now. My goal is that by the time we're done, you'll feel totally confident and honestly excited for what's coming next.
And just so you know, our focus here is 100% on practical, real-world knowledge. This isn't about abstract theory. It's about what you actually need to know to thrive in today's and tomorrow's hotel environment.
All right, so here's our game plan. First up, we'll redefine what the Modern Hospitality Hub even is. Then I'll introduce you to some new team members, your automated assistants. After that, we'll peek behind the curtain at the Smart Operations Engine. And we'll wrap up with the most important piece of the puzzle, your role in this new AI-powered world.
You know, the front office isn't just a place for check-ins anymore, not even close. It has completely transformed into this dynamic, tech-driven service center. And in this new reality, things like speed, true personalization, and rock-solid accuracy, well, they're not just nice to have, they're everything.
Now, if you take away only one thing today, please let it be this idea. AI in our world is not about replacing people. It's about enhancing what we do best. The whole point is to automate the routine, repetitive stuff so that you are free to focus on those meaningful, human interactions that a machine could never replicate.
Okay, so let's meet the first set of tools that help you do exactly that. Think of these as your new automated assistants. We're talking specifically about chatbots and virtual concierge.
So what's the difference? It's a big one. Think of a chatbot as being reactive. It's fantastic for answering simple questions like what are the pool hours or what's the Wi-Fi password. But a virtual concierge, that's proactive. It's deeply plugged into the hotel system so it can anticipate what a guest might need, and it can handle complex stuff like booking a full-day customized itinerary. It's a huge shift from just answering questions to actively creating experiences.
So what does this mean for you on a busy Tuesday afternoon? Well, it means way fewer repetitive questions when you're swamped. It gives you the breathing room to handle a truly complicated guest issue. And most importantly, it lets you focus your energy on those moments that require real empathy and human judgment. It helps all of us move from putting out fires to preventing them in the first place.
Now, let's step away from the front desk for a minute and look at what's happening behind the scenes. This is what I call the Smart Operations Engine. It's where AI is working to optimize the entire hotel operation and make sure our brand's voice is always on point.
You know, most people think the property management system, the PMS, is just for reservations. That's the old way of thinking. Today, a smart PMS is basically the brain of the entire hotel. These new systems use AI to crunch massive amounts of data, giving you strategic insights that help you run the whole show way more effectively.
And this table really shows that beautiful partnership in action. The AI gives you the insight. It might forecast demand for next month or flag a VIP guest's preference for a corner room. But you, the hospitality professional, are the one who takes the action. You're the one who uses that data to adjust staffing, assign that perfect room, or fix a potential problem before the guest even has a clue. You see? The AI provides the what, but you provide the why and the how.
This smart engine also manages guest communication. These AI-powered systems handle the entire messaging journey, from that warm pre-arrival welcome to helpful in-stay offers, all the way to the post-stay request for feedback. And because it's automated, it ensures that every single message perfectly reflects the hotel's unique brand voice, every single time. No exceptions. So let's pull all these threads together. We've talked about guest-facing assistants and these powerful back-end engines. Now let's focus on your role as the pro who gets to synthesize this entire AI toolkit and make the magic happen.
The most important thing to understand is that these aren't just a bunch of separate gadgets. They're all connected. They form a single AI ecosystem. The chatbot talks to the PMS, which then informs the messaging platform. They're constantly sharing data to create a totally seamless experience for the guest and an incredibly powerful, unified set of tools for you.
So look, if you get overwhelmed by all the tech talk, just come back to this. It's all about your mindset. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to approach these tools with confidence and a healthy dose of curiosity. Start thinking of them as just another part of your professional skill set, right alongside communication and problem solving.
And that brings us to the final, and really the most important question of all. This technology is here, and it's getting smarter every day. So the real question isn't about what AI can do. It's about what you are going to do with it. As the next generation of hospitality leaders, how are you going to use this incredible ecosystem to design and deliver the future of unforgettable guest service?